back pocket in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it anytime you're seated. There are 6 emergency exit, 2 forward exit doors, 2 emergency window exit door, and 2 doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead to an exit. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant's command and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest, only told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in front, and pull to tight. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulders. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card and use the life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We're coming by to check to see that your seatbelts are fastened. Seatbacks and tray tables on the foot upper and long position. Carry-on items are complete and seat in front of you. Leave the air around your feet clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on this aircraft on board. Including federal law, prohibit tampering with, destroying, and disabling any smoke detectors in an aircraft laboratory. Federal aviation regulations require passengers compliance with all illuminated lighted placards, posted signs, and crew members' instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. If need be, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate a flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not fully inflate. You will continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, please put your mask on first. We're here for your safety and comfort. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Thank you for your attention. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your 49-minute flight to El Paso. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines, Flight 1729.
Paso.